The Mississippi comes up, this whole road blows out right here. All of this floods, and they actually can't even take this road anymore. They have to actually go through the bean field and around to get to their homes and their camps. So as you can see, this road used to be higher, but they came in here and they dug it down, and they were supposed to come back and put gravel over it, but they never came back and done that. It's supposed to be up about 3 or 4 feet, but they never came back for it. Never came back. This is a much bigger problem than just this road. We're just opening up a can of worms to the problems. From the barges getting stuck, having to make 2 trips, inflation, prices going up. I mean, it's just all a part of everything that's wrong, and people aren't fixing it. People aren't doing their jobs. People aren't doing what we elected them to do, and they're not taking care of business. So the road actually falls off into the river, y'all. Like, there's the Mississippi River, and this is the road. I'm getting me a Mississippi mud bath, baby.
Bulldozers, whatever equipment they have, they turn around right here. And it's not the end of the road. The end of the road is actually probably another mile, mile and a half.
And this is still West Louisiana Parish beyond there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
And it's still Parish Road.
And it's still Parish Road.
Yeah.
And they stopped the work right there, and you've actually done this work yourself.
Yes.
All right, let's go beyond it. Let's see what else they didn't do. Okay, tell me, how much land do you have, and how much land have you lost because of it dropping into the river?
Several hundred feet.
Several hundred feet just dropping into the river.
You couldn't see the river from the camp, and now the river is literally right there. When we get up.
And tell me about Demco.
Demco came and put in this right-of-way this summer, which helps greatly, but we didn't have power for 3 years, solid, because there was no road. And so Demco came in and they cut this right-of-way and put this power in this summer. So that helps. It's
well,
nice.
Land is bought and sold by acreage. And when your acreage falls off in the river, I mean, your money washed away.
Yeah.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Literally.
Wait till you see how close it is. It's 10 feet away from the camp.
I'm talking about thousands upon thousands of dollars washed away.
Oh, Oh yeah.
Nobody
I
cares.
lost,
Well, you should be. Okay, this camp down here, the road used to be on the outside of that camp. That's how much it's gone and dropped off. You see how this barge is going down the Mississippi? Barges bring products to the port of Baton Rouge to get into your stores so that you can buy products. But guess what? Because the silt is so deep, 30 feet deep of silt in this water, and it's not been dredged, they're not able to line up the barges like they usually do. They're having to make more trips, which costs more money, which is why you're spending more. We need the Mississippi dredged. So this has opened up a big can of worms on a lot of issues in Louisiana that we need fixed, that we need done. Louisiana First. There's about 4 of them, y'all. 4 otters. This is your gate at the end of Plettenberg / Cat Island Road. This is the entrance that Google brings you to. This. Okay? And the gate's dilapidated, just like the bridge at the beginning. So much beauty, so much potential, but because it's not getting the tender love and care, because it's not getting the appropriate funds that it was allocated, this is what it comes to. This is what it comes to. So, a lot of things we have to unpack here. A lot of things that need to be done. But that's what I do here at Jolie with Jolie Adventures. I'm showcasing and highlighting everything, good, bad, ugly, beautiful, everything that has to do with Louisiana. And this needs to be fixed. Thank y'all. We are walking on the bridge that has been out for 7 years on Plettenberg Road that leads to Cat Island Road. But this down here is the road that the citizens of West Louisiana Parish had to make themselves just to get to their property. So this is a parish road. And today I took you all the way down Cat Island Road where Google says that you can get into the wildlife refuge. Well, that's just not true, y'all. So today I educated you, I showed you, I taught you not to go this way. But look how beautiful this is. Let's get this bridge fixed, people, please, and this parish road fixed. Something has to be done. We are Louisiana, and we can do better. Thank y'all. God bless y'all. Jolie with Jolie Adventures.